Hey, what's up? How are you? Today I'm going to talk about my all-rounder skin blurring app, skin casting. You can cast your skin like gaming, photos, videos, anything you can cast with your mobile to any PC, TV, anything. Any type of TV or PC you can connect your mobile skin. Just download the apps, skin mirroring, TV and PC on the Play Store and then just one tap to start. And this premium feature you will get like live drawing system like presentation, other things and more features. Let's hurry up to get it.
Browsers and click the OK button on the screen for enable audio and your streaming is start now. You can play games, TV, movies, anything. I'm going to test the YouTube audio section.
Stranded in the